Hello. We are together in the second lesson of Artcam 2011 training set. In this lesson, we will see the topic of opening a new page. To open a new page, click at the top. Knife module. Apart from this, we can also use Control. Apart from this, we also said that there is an assistant menu. There is also a fail menu here. From here we can open the new page by selecting the knife module. It gives us a window when opening the new page. In this window, Hey is written at the top. Ye X new, that is, the XN here, what Ye XN indicates. Here XN also indicates what X is to X. The value we enter here becomes the value we enter for X. So we bring it with sub times of 500 mmc. We write X as X nor 500 millimeters. Apart from that, right below the Resilea section. He said 20,814 times 20814. Here and in total, their multiplication amount is. He gave it to us. This means each long dot indicates X to X. We had a total of 20,814 pixels points in 500 millimeters. We have points in the same way as Y and X. This means image recording in the models we have made. In this way, we can increase or decrease it according to the density of the model, according to the density of the pattern. We need to increase this image quality according to the thin line. And so that we can extract the silencing exactly when we process it in the machines. We need to move the needle of this frequent bar to the right. But if there is not much detail in our model, if it is close to 100%, lower it. While preparing our tool paths and preparing the model, will cause the program to run faster. And it will make our job easier. This is how far up it gets. If we condense the program, our work in the program will eat slowly. You will determine this according to your need. Those three arms over there also represent that person. The first one shows this axis in the middle, so Yexanini on the right. It shows ZX when its XX is facing upwards. This indicates our point of origin. Are our arrows. We move this to the left corner. The reason why we put it in the soldelat corner is, in this way, we can provide a more comfortable working experience. If we want, at the middle point in the lower right corner. In the upper right corner and in the upper left corner. We can use this. When we're in the soldelat corner. When we prepare tool paths. Our tool paths. It will give positive value in X and Y. When we prepare it this way, it will value Y plus X plus X. When we prepare it this way, it will value both X and Y. Even when we corner the left, it will give X plus Y plus X. Of course, if you ask why these change, the corner point of your cyanide machine. Wherever it is, we need to adjust it accordingly. It would be more logical if we set a wrong point. The machine will not cut. In fact, he will. Okay, let me do it. New page. I am opening it. When a new page is opened, the page is now open. At the top of the page, we see a ruler. And we can see this ruler on the left side. Now in the ruler we see at the top, along the y-axis of the 0 point. It is true. In the table on the side here, x-axis of the 0 point is also correct. We need to check. On the previous screen, click on the bottom left corner. This is how we make our sign. We have proven it. Here. A second option. In any ruler, i.e. the one at the top or the one on the left. On any of the ruler. Come and say, when we click with the left mouse button. Freelancing us. Your lines. So it is not seen. We will see that it gives the lines. When we take it from the left side, not seen upright. We'll see that it gives us the lines. These are not lines. These allow us to draw. Facilitating. What the ruler gave us. Invisible. Our lines, we want these on the page. To the size we want. We also appreciate the chance to bring it so that when we come upon it. Double-sided. You see the caress both horizontally and vertically, when we see your double-sided caress. Mouse to the clock tip. When we click like this. A small screen window. Will come before us. This will mean. When we click on the look at part. If we say OK. That we have chosen. Line, invisible. Line will be locked. And we won't be able to move it left or right. When Look 8 is not active. What we call new position. To the position right now. In his first 80s. 122,290 millimeters. We are 400. When we write and press OK. As you can see, exactly 400. We see it moving. Same operations. Here in the horizontal lines. We can. And thus. We want. Invisible line. To the desired parts of the page. In millimeters. Chance to place. We have. Of course here. This is not seen. In what way? We can clean it. There is a delete option here. Come over each one by ticking. By saying delete. After we're done. We have the opportunity to delete them. Other than that. Open new page. Related to. Something else to tell. No. And just. Only. In the Fail menu. We already have. Who will do our job. New page. Subject. There was. And here. There was open. Open. If in. We before. Recorded. We are. Files. Registered. Files. In my scarf. We can open it. There. When I open it to us. Gave a window. In this window. As you see. Bottom. In registered extensions. Which type of file is it? If any. Artcam these files. From our computer. We can select and open it. Open. With the command, open. At the command, the perpetrator too. By saying open. We can use it, shortcut. Also as control. Keyboard to control. Together at the same time. By pressing the key. We can perform this operation. In an orderly manner. In the lion menu. From here. To open. You can reach, there. Bottom. In the toolbar. In the Fail toolbar. You can reach, to open. We have worked. Studies also. Likewise, what you see here. With the Save button. Or. Keyboard to control. Together. Pressing Save. You can save. And different. You can save it. While recording. Our extension. To the loan. It will happen. So Artcam own extension. And from here. What we have done. Save. So from the Fail menu. What we have done. Saving with Save. Us Artcam. As file. To save. Both. On the white screen. Two-dimensional. Drawing as well. What we see here. On the yellow screen. In 3 cycles. Three-dimensional drawing. Both together. If there is. Whole design. And his works. As this file. Possibility to save. We have it. Apart from that, in the Fail menu. There are pyramid settings. Any other. No features. If he wants to get out of here. With rice selection. Or hit Control. We can get our rice. From here the page. Somehow adjust the pyramid settings. We can. Here at the bottom. We can exit the program. Related to the perpetrator menu. Topics we will cover. This is the 3rd time. See you for lessons.